How many of you here can relate to this? Once upon a time, your class teacher asks you to raise your hand if you know the answer. Even if you know the answer, you never raised your hand. This has happened many times to many people, right? Even if your friend tells you to raise your hand, you start getting nervous, your heart starts beating faster, and just your mind goes blank, right? How many of you have gone through this situation? You are the one who is very comfortable sitting at the back, being a backbencher, being comfortable listening to others, right? This is what you are. And let me tell you that I was one among them. You know what? The only way to face the fear of public speaking is to just face it. Whenever you get a chance to speak, guys, just take an initiative, raise your hand and speak. So next time, whenever you get a chance to speak, it doesn't matter it's a conference room or it's a normal gathering, just don't miss the chance.